down at the river. Yeah, I was quite excited to do some kayak fishing today. The weather is a bit overcast, a little bit of rain, but I think I can deal with that. The water actually looks quite nice, so I think these fish will be active. Yeah, it'll be awesome if I can get a nice bass, and yeah, maybe later on I'll actually go look for some carp. So yeah, super stoked and ready to get this day going. Hopefully the rain doesn't catch me.
Can I be close to you? Can I take it to a moment where the fields are painted gold?
Fish right here. Oh, on, there we go. There we go. First fish of the morning on the top water. Awesome. It's not that big, but I'll definitely take it. Let's see if I can land him here. Nice little bass to start off the day. Fat fish means they are eating very aggressively if they're this fat. So yeah, awesome. Look at that dorsal fin. Stoked with that one. Let's release him. Just hooked into another fish here. Fortunately didn't have the GoPro on, but it was also a nice top water strike. These fish are really eating top water at the moment. Awesome little fish. Let's release this fish. There we go. That was a very awesome take. That was so awesome. That fish literally jumped completely out of the water. That was an awesome take. Completely came out of the water after the fly. That was an awesome strike. Yo, so stoked with this little fish. Let's release him. I really do have a good feeling about today. I think I may just get a bigger fish on the top water. That would be so much better as well.
Close to you.
is also a nice fish. Seems he has been hooked before. Broken bottom jaw, it seems. Nice bass. Yeah, that bottom jaw did take some damage somewhere in its life, but I guess he's functioning fine since he took that bait. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna release him. Oh, awesome. Just lost the fish. Just lost the fish. Didn't strike him properly. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. This fish was laying in between these two trees. A lot of spots on him, almost looks like a spotted bass. Nice fish. Let's release him. There we go. Awesome.